So I'm just gonna start off the beginning of this video talking because honestly I don't know how I'm really gonna do this. I've never done this look before, and I kind of want to try to make it look kind of realistic with different items that I have here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you guys just a gist of the products that I'm gonna be using for this video, and then see if you guys could follow along. I'm excited because it is my first Halloween tutorial I've ever done on YouTube, so I figured let me get something that is still kind of creative but still kind of easy for you guys at home to also recreate. So yeah, right now I'm just gel, and I'm just gonna gel up my brows just to hold them in place for all the things that we're gonna do. Don't mind my appearance. I'm fresh out of bed for you guys, early in the morning, teeth brushed, face washed, all that stuff, so that I can deliver this look to you, because I plan on just showering right after this because I am going to be using spray paint in my hair and things like that. So yeah, it's super gloomy outside, so I'm like, you know what's giving that gloomy, creepy, nasty weather type feel? And I'm like, Beetlejuice. All the fungus on the face, that type of stuff is like really creepy to me. And I remember growing up when I learned who Beetlejuice was and I watched the movie, I was like hella creeped out for a while. Like, it's just, I don't know, it just was kind of creepy. Like, oh my god, the dude is just so crazy looking. So I'm gonna do more of like a glam side to that, because I'm not about to put on no ball cap. Y'all not about to have me out here like that. So I'm just gonna still try to make it a little creepy, but glam, you know, something that I would wear outside. So we're just gonna roll it over and do a montage of music and show you guys products and stuff. First, I am starting off with these Wet n Wild palettes, the Brights palette and the Neutral palette. Excuse these are extremely broken in because my daughter loves Halloween just as much as me, and she's always in here digging into these. So this is what this one is looking like. We're going to be using the greens and such, and then here I love the Neutrals palette. We're going to be digging into like these colors, a little bit of that color, maybe a little bit of this for blending and stuff, but we'll see. We're going to try to make that work. And then I have the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial palette. I'm only going to be using one color from here, and it's going to be Zero Gravity. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of like a purplish gray. So that's something that I kind of want to incorporate like around the fungus that Beetlejuice has, like from the mouth and from the sides of his face. We're going to be using MAC, and I'm just going to be using probably the black and the green in this palette, just so that I can get more like depth and dimension in my colors. And then I'm also going to be using the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and just messing with the greens and the purples from in here. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. I'm extremely nervous kind of to put this video out there, just because I'm not gonna like claim that I'm like a Halloween makeup artist or that I do like special effects and like stuff like that. I'm extremely amateur, and I just want to keep diving into it, and I want to learn so much more, because that's the part of makeup that really interests me, is like doing like on set film kind of stuff, and like I don't know, just body painting, things like that is just super interesting to me. So I just want to dip my toes into everywhere. So we're gonna see how this goes. If you guys like this, go ahead and please leave a like on this video, so that I know that you enjoy videos like this, so that I can maybe bang out more by the end of the week. It is Halloween week, and I am ready. I'm throwing a party, and I'm gonna get really into the spirit, and I love to see my kids dress up and them go nuts with candy and have a good time too. So I'm excited, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video genuinely. So if you're ready, just keep on watching. Alright, so that completes this look. I hope you guys like what I did with the little pieces of toilet paper and all the shading and stuff. Everything's looking good. This came out way better than what I expected. Let me know if you would rock this look on Halloween.